Happy Monday, kids. Today's warm-up is a 2 truths and 1 lie. So you need to explain which of the 3 statements below is a lie and explain how you made that choice. So it's telling you that the skull is worth -1 3/10. I know I haven't taught you negatives yet, but just think about if you owed somebody like $1.30, where would that be? The mummy is 8/10. The vampire is 5 1/10. And Frankenstein is 4 9/10. So remember that these symbols are less than, greater than. So you want to see if these numbers are going to be less than or greater than. So when you're thinking about line 2 and you're thinking about -1 3/10, if you owe somebody $1.30, that's less, or actually, less or more, less that you owe them, but -$2 would be more that you owe them, right? So it actually is, it would be greater than. So I'm just going to tell you that this sentence is true. There's my hint over here, and that please explain which one is a lie and why. Use mathematical language. Just click there and explain which one you picked and why. You will be discussing this in class this week. So have fun, get it done before class so we can discuss it.